Liverpool. Birthplace of the Beatles, 2 cathedrals, a working waterfront, and you're stuck squinting at a laminated map. Rushed past St. George's Hall, herded through Matthew Street. A group tour that treats a city built on rebellion and reinvention like a checklist. Uvamai's Liverpool self-guided audio tour puts 16 of the city's richest stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand beneath the vaulted ceiling of St. George's Hall. Trace the Beatles' earliest days on Matthew Street. Wander the grand galleries of the World Museum and the Walker Art Gallery. Discover the secret wartime tunnels of Western Approaches HQ, and finish where it all opens up, the Pier Head, facing the Mersey. 16 stops. Every story finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Liverpool, not just photograph it. $6. Liverpool's music, history, and waterfront told in full. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.